Well, good morning, fans, and welcome to another tour series from Two World for Fun. You know, the site I created for the simplicity of the ride. And I think I'll call this Adventures in Europe, because it's truly an unscripted journey. From sitting on the tarmac for an extra hour to flying a different route due to storms and high turbulence. There, in the distance, was the planned route. But here we are, catching the tail end of the storm that produced some beautiful cloud formations. Hopefully, all the bad weather has pushed through, and the tour will be filled with blue sky, sunlight, and puffy clouds. Now, after sleeping most of the night, we finally land in Frankfurt, Germany. My, how I've missed you. Let's collect the bags and be on our way. A few minutes later. What? What the hell you mean, no bags? Oh man, people, not a single bag made the flight. I'm not talking about just my bags. I'm talking about every passenger on the flight. No bags made the flight. WTF. What the? You know what? Let me pause. Because I can easily make this into a thing. But I'll spare you all of the expletives used at the baggage people, because it's not going to make my luggage appear. So let's forget about it and try to have a wonderful journey. Let's move on, shall we? All right, what's up? Good morning, people. This is your boy Tony rey-no coming at you from Two Wheel for Fun from Ramstein, Germany, Kaiserslautern to be exact. This is going to be some makeshift videos, people, because I don't have any of my gear. I don't have any of my original cameras or anything. Everything is somewhere between Salt Lake City, Utah and Frankfurt, Germany. The bags are awaiting to be found by the airport, so I had to actually go out and buy all new gear, and it has been a nightmare for these first 3 days here. And then we were supposed to be get going this morning, but our man Norris, he had battery issues with the Harley he's renting, but everything is fixed now, so we are getting underway. This is our man Norris. He's renting the Road Glide, right?
Yes.
Renting the Road Glide Harley Davidson 114. Ladies and gentlemen, we have something special today. We are going to fucking tear his cherry up. This is his first time in the Alps, people. Norris, what made you decide to say yes?
Looking at my cousin's posts on Facebook.
Yeah.
And it looked very exciting. All
right. You ready?
I'm ready.
Shit. He is ready.
He's been begging me for 20 years, man.
This is old man Hezekiah. We call him Easy. I haven't seen this joke in about 20 years. We rode together once. Now we fucking getting ready to hit the Alps. So,
that's right.
Yes.
And y'all gonna see why we come over here.
Oh man, you gonna see why we ride. This is why we do this.
Right.
Yeah, people, and y'all know me, Tony rey-no. Normally I'm on my Gold Wing, or every now and then my ZX14, but you know, I rented a R1250, a BMW R1250 RT. It's not bad. It's not bad. A great turn in. I like the suspension. And oh man, that damn TFT screen is freaking amazing. Honda, if you're listening, get this on your motorcycles. This is freaking awesome. Now, in relation to, or I guess in comparison to the Gold Wing, I don't think people should be comparing the RT to the Gold Wing. I think it's more of the K1600, because when you compare this to the Gold Wing, it's kind of like oranges and apples. The Gold Wing is smooth as butter. On this bike, I feel a little vibration from the engine, which is normal. And I'm not trying to, you know, downplay this or anything. I'm just giving you exactly what I feel. And yeah, so still a good bike, and even if I wanted to change, it's too late now because we are here. And yeah,
This is real, people. This is real. So we're getting ready to roll out and do some errands and stuff. And when we get ready to get on the road and get some good stuff going, I'll hit you guys back up. All right? Peace.
Now, as for the errands, we had to go back to Frankfurt to get some additional gear. And the store that we were in, oh my God, man, we were in there so long that time managed to escape us. So we ended up having to bypass the Black Forest and make a beeline for Switzerland. Now, before we made it to Switzerland, we, had a little rest stop where we met this guy from Poland. I can't recall what his name was. But he was really into motorcycles. And we had a blast talking to him, and he had a blast talking to us, and it was an amazing conversation. But unfortunately, the audio malfunctioned, so I can't bring it to you. So from here, it was back on the bikes, and the objective was Switzerland. But since France was so close, we decided to take a detour for lunch in France.
What up, world? This is Tony Rey-no from Two Wheel for Fun. Check this out. That cherry, yeah. Yo, man, you dripping yet? Oh, you didn't hear me. Y'all know my man Easy already. His cherry been popped. Well, actually, both of ours have been. We've been used and abused already.
That's right.
But our man back there, he's fresh meat. Come on, man, it's my turn.
We call him New Booty. New Booty.
He just said we call him New Booty.
New Booty.
What's up, New Booty? You dripping yet? He is being you. Look, he ain't seen shit yet, but he having a good ass time though. But wait till you get in them hills, bro. You gonna be like, what the fuck have y'all got me into? We gonna be like, shit, home is that away. All right, people, y'all be easy. Peace.
Hello, people. It's Tony Rey-no from Two Wheel for Fun. We're like on the back roads now, trying to look for the French sign. Old man grunt. McDonald's everywhere. McCafe. That'll be a bomb bakery with fresh bread in the morning. Oh man, die schmeckt gut. Huh? We can find out. Did you see your sign, bro? The blue circle up there on the... it's down there a ways, but I mean... I got it on video, us crossing.
Whatever the German.
Alrighty.
So, after lunch, we head back into Germany for the last stretch of Autobahn before dropping into Switzerland. With daylight escaping us, we pull over for one last Navi check, which also gives me the opportunity to switch to my clear visor. The original plan called for taking the B500 through the Black Forest, but maintenance issues and shopping for needed accessories put us behind schedule, so we opted for the most expedient route.
Beautiful.
Exodus from Germany finally complete. Tired, hungry, and every now and then the thought of lost luggage slips into my mental. But it's quickly overshadowed with what lays ahead. The European Alps.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, this RT is the bomb, people. It's not a gold wing, but people need to stop comparing the BMW RT against the gold wing. This RT is a sport tour. No comparison with the gold wing, because they're two different bikes. Two totally different bikes. This is nice. Yeah. Just getting you there. Good. What's up? Having a good time? All right. Oh, you good? I'm just getting you. You good? You good? I'm just getting you on camera.
Oh.
Yeah. Unbelievable, me.
Me too here.
We are heading towards Mount Blanc. This is where the grown folks come to play.